Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome Play-Doh mixer truck. It's so fun. My 2-year-old absolutely loves it. It's super cute. It has a few different cutouts on the side for different tools. And then it has this part here that pops up. You can put Play-Doh in here, and then your little one can twist away and it'll push out cement for them to play with. So this is super well made. The wheels all work, so it's pretty good because you can use it to play Play-Doh, but then they can also use it just to play trucks. So we love a toy that has multi-purposes, right? So this is a great truck. We love this truck. It's awesome. It takes up a lot of his attention, which is great for mom and dad as well. So definitely recommend it and think you should check it out. And that is my point of view.